Good day to all. I hope this communication finds you and your family safe and well during these unsettling times. Today, I welcome you back to the MIC Institute of Technology and the National Skills Development Program family. As we embark on continuing training, we will use the various modalities of learning to ensure that we continue to provide adequate practical and theoretical knowledge to equip you for success. To facilitate this, the company will implement a blended learning approach. However, in the interim, we seek to place all NSDP trainees in the industry 4 days per week. This will give you the opportunity to develop the practical component of the training. We encourage you to spend time reviewing topics already covered earlier this year. Our focus as an institution is to provide the best quality skills training necessary for your self-development in preparation for assessments and the world of work at large. The COVID-19 pandemic has created uncertainty for us all. This uncertainty is especially pronounced for trainees today. As we recommence training with reorientation, I urge you to follow all the new COVID protocols. As you return to your industry sites, it is not business as usual. You will have to learn to navigate through these new regulations, such as the wearing of masks, face shields, washing and sanitizing of hands regularly, physical and social distancing, and staying away from home if you're ill. All these measures are in an effort to keep you and your co-workers and families safe. Internally, you will be introduced to the learning platforms being used by the institution for the purposes of training, which are Moodle and Microsoft Teams. You will learn to navigate through these platforms in an effort to obtain the training sessions and materials to complete the training curriculum. For this term, focus will be given towards the completion of theoretical component through live sessions, reading material, video presentations, and learning assignments. With the guidance of the Government of Trinidad and Tobago, once it is deemed safe to allow trainees back to the learning institutions, then you will be scheduled accordingly, especially as it relates to the practical sessions. In these trying times, we must adapt to the ever-changing environment as MICIT moves forward with blended learning, as with the other institutions in the country and by extension, the world at large. We ask you, the trainees and parents, for your support at this time as we try to navigate through this ongoing pandemic. As well, be encouraged that myself and my team are also here to support you through this necessary transition. Your center coordinators will divulge detailed information as necessary, as you will learn about the systems being put in place for your learning. I commend each of you for your willingness to continue and urge you to continue to push forward. We are here to support you and will move forward together. I leave with this quote from Mandy Hale: "Trust the wait, embrace the uncertainty, enjoy the beauty of becoming. When nothing is uncertain, anything is possible." Thank you and the best of luck in your studies.